Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we are making soft, delicious rasmalai. And for this recipe we need 1 liter milk for the rasgullas, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup sugar, and 4 cups water, plus another 1 liter milk for the rabri. 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 8-10 chopped pistachios and almonds, and a few saffron strands. First, boil 1 liter milk and add lemon juice to separate the chenna. Wash and strain it. Knead it until smooth and shape into small balls. Then cook them in boiling sugar syrup until they double in size. For the rabri, simmer 1 liter milk until thick. Add sugar, saffron, and cardamom. Then gently place the cooked rasgullas into the warm rabri and chill for a rich, creamy flavor. Your soft, juicy, perfect rasmalai is ready to serve. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Afifa's Cuisine.